This is the 10-year overview reading for BTBT shares throughout the years 2020 through 2029. That's Bit Digital. Currently, at the time of this reading, the price is $1.07. It's currently October 13th, 2022, approximately 9:05 p.m. Eastern Time. So the overall theme and behavior for BTBT, we have a big move higher, followed by a full retracement of that move back down. So this would definitely stand on a multi-year chart, a big move to the upside, followed by a full retracement back down. It's crossed with a critical price level, and there's more to this. There's a lot of things that go right for this company that seem to have the proper mix of components necessary to succeed. So we have 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. Okay, so we attempt to establish support in 2020 or reestablish support in 2020. There's a foundation being built. A critical price level is highlighted. A critical resistance level is highlighted in 2021. There's like a flattening of volatility or flattening of volume here in 2021. 2022, there's a significant decline, possibly bearish price swings, but a significant decline in 2022. Now in 2023, things seem to turn around. We have we move higher, successfully turning resistance into new support, and that's on the scale of a one-year chart at least. The following year, however, 2024, an important bottom or important trough, possibly a sharp decline off of 2023 into this bottom that we see here, a decline in 2024 with like an important trough. It could also be the end, like it could be the company goes under, but I don't foresee that as. Let's see. So 2025. We have a crest where we sell down to and through a support level, and then there's a U-shaped reversal below that support level. We come back and reuse it as support. They're enjoying success in 2025. 2026, 3 crisscrosses through the same price level. And it's an incline, a decline, and an incline through the same price level. Third cross confirming a bullish trend. There may also be some refocus on company values. 2026, the completion of a bullish trend. So the bullish trend that's confirmed in 2020, sorry, that's 2027. The bullish trend that's confirmed in 2026 completes, the rally completes in 2027. 2028, yeah, a notable decline. So that which was cause for optimism or success or happiness is now, it's kind of like, it's turned sour. It's not working out the way that it once was. 2029, multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance. Something happens here. They may get absorbed by a company, but it would be the merger card. I don't know, like something significant happens here. It may be like the end of the business. But if they survive 2024, then all this holds true. And then around the high for the 10-year period, there's a decline off of the high to meet a support level, like the next most important support level on a 10-year chart. And we rotate sideways along that support for a bit. That's the behavior around the high. Behavior around the low for the 10-year period. There's a decline that ends with a fast sudden move to the upside, and there may be a new leader. There may be a leader or water sign executive that's highlighted around the low for bringing like optimism. Trade significator, that's a pretty juicy card to get for a trade significator, gotta say. And then the sneak preview for the following 10-year period is bullish with bullish or sideways fluctuations with a bullish trend that precedes a decline. This was a yes or no for a question in my head. All right, guys, so stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the pattern recognition portion that was developed over a 22-year period through trial and error. Nowhere else will you find this pattern recognition. It's how we time highs and lows and other events. So stay tuned, and we'll see that all marked up in just a second. So guys, take a moment before we get into the pattern recognition portion, and if you haven't done so, please hit that follow button. It really helps out the channel. We need all the support we can get. This is like, you know, we're doing cutting edge, like revolutionary type of analysis here, and whenever you're at the forefront of something, everybody wants to hate, everybody wants to disbelieve and doubt and not pay attention. So that's the struggle that this channel goes through. And in the meantime, the people that are supporting us before this channel actually blows up, they're actually supporting like the advancement of society, the advancement of human evolution, because what we're doing here is providing unequivocal, undeniable evidence that extrasensory perception exists and can be used practically in the real world. There's people that never ever would have believed this type of thing possible that are smart enough to pay attention, right? But it's slow to pick up new people, and so in the meantime, we really do need your support, my friends. With that said, BTBT, we've got a trade opportunity near the high, and we have a high correlator for the following year for 2023. My sense is there's a low correlation here in 2022. So in the midst of this low that we see in 2022, which I'd have to do like a full-on, there's not much 2022 left. Is there a good buy op in BTBT this year, 2022, the remaining part of the year? Yes, actually the start of a rally. Interesting. Okay, so a buy opportunity this year, 2022, and then a sell opportunity in 2023, and then there's some more trade opportunities down the road. 2026, we have 3 crisscrosses through the same price level. That'll be a critical price level on a multi-year chart, and that'll confirm a bullish trend, and then that'd be a good time to enter in again. And then I'd look to exit at the completion of a rally in 2027. There's another trade opportunity here in 2029. However, it's kind of like lingering as to what exactly. It might be like if you wanted to hold it from like now into like the following, you know, if you wanted to buy and hold, that might be a buy and hold signal right there. Is there a better entry point? Well, I don't understand why Siri just decides that I said her name, but sometimes when I say her name, she doesn't pay attention. Often. Okay, so is there a better opportunity? Why does she keep thinking that's Siri? Is there a better opportunity to open up a long position in BTBT in 2023? No. Okay, so we want to buy this year, BTBT. I'm looking to buy this year and hold it through for high the following year. And what we'll do is we'll successfully turn resistance into new support. And then I look to get back in probably in 2027. That's BTBT, my friends. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, make sure you're following that rule of karma, guys. You will not have satisfaction. You will not have satisfactory results if you don't follow that rule of karma. This energy, the channel, is about spreading good energy, right? And the way that you do that is through giving freely, and as you give, you shall receive, and that's the way the blessing of this channel works. The rule of karma has within it an innate blessing that you spend those profits on things out of love, only out of love, and the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions. I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay, so looking at the chart for 2020 for a BTBT, what we have here is an establishing or attempting to establish support. And you can see we're establishing support here. We were declining, right? We were establishing support in 2020. We do establish support. And then in 2021, we have a critical resistance level that's highlighted. I like this card as a representation of 2021 much better than something like the Gain card or the Aeon card, where we have this a big rally higher, because really it wasn't a big rally. It was just the very beginning of the year, there's like a huge spike. And then the remainder of the year, we're dealing with that as resistance, right? So that price level, which I would say to be conservative, because this price level is going to come in, it's going to come in pretty handy in 2024. All right, let's say 1897 is that resistance level. So in 2022, there's that trade opportunity. We get in on the long side, sell it. I would say a good exit point is going to be that price level, because we're going to successfully turn resistance into new support. It could be here. It could be like, sorry guys, it's been a while we're trading with you. Okay, so it could be there, right? It could be there, but I think my sense is that it's going to be like up here. So that's the critical price level that we were dealing with, marked in 2021. If it was this price level, I mean, it makes sense. So I'm going to use that as an exit point for this trade that I see opening up a long position in the midst of the 2022 decline, and selling it when we successfully turn into support at some point. And that's when I would look to exit. And then there's another trade when we see a rally commence after the crisscrosses through the same price level there in 2020. Well, you guys already know that part, guys. All right, so I'm going to talk about that in another video that I recorded here.